Hi, my name is Ralph Edward Hardy, and I'm with Eden United Church of Christ. We are a community-based organization here in Hayward, working in conjunction with the Alameda County Department of Public Health. This is another of our series of public service announcements, and what we will be talking about today is recommendations for parents whose children are 11 years and younger, and maybe you've received a notice from the school about your child being exposed to COVID. First thing we're recommending is stay calm and follow the school's protocols. Each school has their own set of rules that will guide you through the process. But in the beginning, please stay calm. This is what we know about the Delta variant, according to Alameda Public Health Department. The Delta variant spreads after being exposed to a person who has COVID, and it can happen with as few as 5 minutes of exposure. And you'll know within a 24-hour period. The county recommends take a COVID test and do this within 3 days of receiving that notice or the exposure. You'll receive notification from your school about the exposure. It's also recommended to take a second test after the 6th day of exposure. We are posting sites on the screen now that'll help you with finding a place to take that test. During this period, keep your child in quarantine until you've received the results of the test. That just means away from other people. Now, after you've taken that test and you're waiting results, here's what you can expect and know what to do. If it's a negative test and your child hasn't shown any symptoms, your child can return to school. You'll want to check with the school because this varies from school to school, but this is the Alameda County Department of Public Health's position on this. If it's positive and they're symptomatic, showing signs, there is a 10-day isolation period. Basically what that means is your kid should be kept out of school and kept safe at home and away from the family, social distancing. It's recommended that you take your child's temperature twice a day and keep a close eye on your child because you're going to be looking for common COVID symptoms, which you see listed here. Receive the vaccination. We know that the best way to keep your child safe is everyone in your family, 12 years and older, get the vaccine. That reduces the risk. That would be our last word that we would leave with you with this public service announcement. Stay tuned, there's more to follow. We're going to go into greater detail about if your child tests positive. My name is Ralph Edward Hardy with Eden United Church of Christ, affiliated with Alameda County, the Department of Public Health. Thank you for your time and listening.